In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Exness account on mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to, of course, download the Exness app on your mobile device, and then you want to open it up, and here you can see the register button. So tap on register, the yellow button. From here, you'll have to first select your country of residence. Tap on here and select your country, and then from here you'll also have to declare and confirm you're not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes, and then you can put in your partner code, which is optional, so if you have it, put it here, and then of course you can read all about it over here down below, and then tap on continue. In here you'll first have to put in your email address, and this is going to be the one that you're going to be using to sign into Exness, and then from there of course you'll have to put in a bunch of different information about yourself. Just keep on pressing continue at the bottom. I'm not going to waste your time here through this process, so just basically type in your info, press continue, and keep on doing that until your account is actually going to get created, and then you'll be able to sign in and actually start using it. And of course, if you need further help with anything inside your account, I do have a lot of tutorials on my channel on how to actually use that account and do things inside it, how to trade, etc. So yeah, that's it. Keep pressing continue, keep putting in your real info, and your account will be created. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.